The Wolf Queen is a South African story from the Malay Indian province about a beautiful young woodcutter's daughter named Amina who attracts the unwanted attentions of a creepy old sultan. The sultan wants to marry her, but Amina is in love with a handsome young wazir, so when the sultan comes to take her away she stalls him until she can consult with the wazir about what to do. The wazir gives Amina a wolf's belt and a magic ring, telling her to wear the belt, rub the ring, and recite an incantation the next time the sultan comes around. When she does, Amina is turned into a wolf, but she forgets the spell that will return her to human form. She is captured by hunters and brought to the wazir's house, but he is indisposed and does not see her. At sundown she remembers the spell and turns herself back into a woman just in time for dance at the home of the wazir's brother where she hopes to see the wazir, but he is ill and unable to attend. After the dance she morphs back into a wolf and returns to the wazir's house. This goes on for 2 more nights, but each night the wazir is not at the dance. The morning after the last dance the wazir emerges from his sick room to find Amina in wolf form once again and he recognizes her immediately. He kills the wolf, freeing Amina's human form once again. This tale can be found in Nelson Mandela's favorite African folk tales.